Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the noise outside. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair black because my hair was really faded from the previous time that I colored it black. I didn't even leave the color that long because I was nervous, but yeah, so it made it fade super quick. And then I had like this nasty murky green color that I was over. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair black. Look how shiny it looks. Like, I just love freshly dyed black hair. There's nothing like it. If you guys like this look and you guys like how my ponytail, my slick ponytail came out, I left a tutorial or I just showed you guys how I did my slick ponytail, even though it's really simple. Let me know if you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and whatnot, and leave a comment and show your friends, and follow me on Instagram at babyface. This video, fat ass thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. Good morning guys. Today this is kind of a random video. I'm on my way to the hair store, gonna go to Family Dollar possibly, and I'm gonna dye my hair black because this looks a hot mess to me. Like, since I'm trying to grow my hair out and get it back healthy, like, dark hair just looks better. And yeah, so we're gonna do that, and yeah, you're coming with me. So sis, put your shoes on. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Juanita, and if you're returning, welcome back, gang. It's been a minute. Yes, it's been a minute because sis needed a little hiatus, and on top of that I moved, so it was just a lot at one time, but I missed you guys. Yeah, so let's get into this video. Today I am doing a hair coloring video. No bright color, unfortunately. I almost wanted to go back ginger for the fall, but I know that my hair will not be able to handle it, and I know that I'm gonna get tired of it really quick. So we're just gonna go with the regular jet black color, just because, do you see, I dyed it black, but it definitely faded, and some patches are just really light. It's just not cute. I need that shine back. I feel like when you dye your hair black, it just looks way better. I feel like, I don't know, and I'm just not here for these light brown ends. They just look disty. Today, you guys, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair black using the Cream of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Color with Shea Butter Conditioner. I've never tried this box color before. Usually I just go with the cheap Clairol box dye, or I just actually go to the beauty supply store and get a 2-box hair color. But I want to try this out. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube use this, so I'm just going to give it a try, and hopefully my hair doesn't melt off. It comes with this cream developer, which is the first step, I guess. Of course, you know, the regular. And then the step 2, the ammonia-free colorant, which I guess is a hair color that you mix with step 1. And Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Conditioner. This little ass packet. I don't even got that much hair, and I know that this is not enough, but thanks. Directions too. So usually the gloves are inside, and I did not buy gloves. Okay, they're in here. So it comes with gloves as well. Since I pretty much knew that they were not going to give me enough hair conditioner, and I know that I've dyed my hair a million times, especially these ends, I decided to get some. I went to the beauty supply store and I decided to get some deep conditioning hair packets, and I wanted to try this. I've never heard of it, but one is a moisture hair mask and one is an intense protein treatment, and they just look like this. They're like little packets, and I got them for $2.49 at my local beauty supply store. So before I start, I'm gonna take some conditioner and I'm gonna put it around my hairline. Brush my edges back first. Brush my edges back first because I want all that color It'll create a little barrier in your ears. Because me, I always forget this step, and then I always have so much black hair dye all on my skin, and it's just like not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. I'm gonna take my hair out, put my gloves on, and get to mixing. So to cut the top off of this. Ooh. Pouring it in here. Ooh. Now that it's all mixed, you're gonna seal it tightly, and then you're going to shake. That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay. Since my hair is short, I don't really feel the need to section it, so I'm just gonna put it everywhere. I mean, it's never failed me in the past. Okay. Now I'm just applying it everywhere. Oops. Trying not to sling it all over my room. It's pretty much everywhere now, and it's pretty much like already dyed. That was quick. Just gonna use the remainder and get it everywhere. Make sure every strand is coated. Hopefully you can hear me over these gloves. I don't even know how long to just leave it on. 25 minutes. What time is it? Of course I look after. 12:42, so 25 minutes. 42 plus 25. I'm so bad at math. We'll just say at 110. Ew, look what my ends are doing. I have to do it black, like it has to be black. Sleek, cute. Got it on my rug. And then we're gonna let it sit for 25 minutes. I like it already. I like it already. So I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'm gonna go wash it out, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm fresh out the shower, all clean, my hair is dyed, it looks really good. I like the results. How do you guys feel about them? Do you feel like my hair looks more full? I feel like it looks more full. I feel like it looks shinier. But I'm kind of like annoyed with this, but thankfully I saved. Sorry for the construction. So I saved a little bit of the hair color, and I learned this trick in school. Like, you just put it where the hair color stained your skin. I'm just gonna wipe it away. I'm gonna take a wipe and wipe it away. Okay, it's still a little bit there, but it's much better. There. And then wipe it away. And that's a little trick for you guys. It's still a little, you know, tinted, but it's way less apparent. Now I'm gonna style my hair, probably since it's wet. Do a sleek low bun. We're probably gonna do a sleek low bun, my signature look. And because since this is kind of like stained and stuff, the hairstyle I do want to do, I don't want to do it when my edges look like this. So let's get into this quick little hairstyle. Of course, we're going in with the Eco Styler Gel, my handy dandy, my go-to, my OG, my Eco, my argan oil Eco. Like, I will always stand argan oil and then olive oil. I'm gonna take my comb, and I want a middle part, so I'm gonna do a middle part. Dries. Now I'm taking some Eco Styler Gel, and I'm just gonna slick it down. I don't have to do layers on my hair because honestly, I don't have that thick of hair. Like, my hair is honestly not that thick. So I just like slap it on everywhere. Hey, waves on swim. On swim, don't drown. Did you bring your life jacket? I'm going in with my brush. I got this at $1. I got this for $1 at the beauty supply. So we brush my hair down until it's all flat against my head. And like, works best with my hair to do this when it's wet. I can't do slick buns or really slick styles unless my hair is blow dry or wet. And now I might leave it. We'll leave this out today. Sweet ponytail. Usually I just tuck the ends in. Today I'm feeling spicy. And now for the fleekage, my favorite part.